Well, a Tarrant mother is out of jail, arrested after being charged with causing her daughter's death. Farrah Bates is facing manslaughter charges after her daughter, Araya Crawford, passed away back in July.
Now, her death raised suspicions of possible foul play from Tarrant Mayor Wayman Newton, so much that he mentioned it in his lawsuit against the police chief. This Tarrant mother, Farrah Bates, is facing reckless manslaughter charges 4 months after Tarrant police found her 2-year-old daughter unresponsive in a home on Old Pinson Highway. Tarrant police say on July 18th, officers couldn't find little Araya Crawford's pulse. She was taken to Children's Hospital where she was pronounced dead. Tarrant police say the coroner's autopsy found she had fentanyl in her system. A civil suit filed last week by Tarrant's mayor, Wayman Newton, against police chief Wendell Major claims the chief removed all public safety dispatchers' access to the National Crime Information Center database, the federal system that allows law enforcement access to a person's criminal records.
Because the chief actually removed the dispatchers' access to NCIC, we had no way of knowing or no way of confirming that information should that a person that's on that list came to our city.
The mayor made a bad decision, a boneheaded decision, to move the dispatchers from the police department, and he's trying to use this court to cover up that for political purposes.
Newton claims Chief Major has a history of making questionable decisions, quote, which potentially affects the safety of Tarrant residents, businesses, and employees, and exposes the city to legal liability. The mayor referencing the 2-year-old's death as an example in the lawsuit. It says Mayor Newton asked the chief if foul play was suspected. The chief responded, no trauma observed, awaiting autopsy, but also admitted officers found cocaine, fentanyl, and other drugs in the home. After the coroner's report came back, the complaint says the mayor asked the chief why is he not charging anyone with homicide and/or child endangerment. The chief says he was not at liberty to discuss the case because it was an active investigation. On November 14th, the interim police chief recommenced the case with the Jefferson County DA's office, ultimately today charging Bates with chemical endangerment of exposing a child to controlled substances. Just moments ago, we learned that Bates had bonded out of the Jefferson County Jail. Now, I did reach out to the mayor to talk about this part of the complaint, and he told me he could not do an interview tonight, but could possibly speak with us tomorrow. And I also reached out to the police chief before, and he tells me before being put on administrative leave, they were still investigating the case and waiting on the toxicology reports for the substances collected from the house. He says he does not know what information prompted officers to obtain a warrant today.